Here are 5 tips of frugal self-care. Self-care is important for maintaining our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. However, many self-care practices can be expensive, making it difficult for people on a budget to prioritize their own self-care. Fortunately, there are many ways to practice self-care without breaking the bank. Here are 5 ways to practice frugal self-care. Exercise. Exercise is a great way to reduce stress, improve mood, and maintain physical health. There are many low-cost options for exercise, such as walking, running, yoga, or strength training at home. You can find free workout videos on YouTube or download free workout apps on your phone. You can also check out your local community center or park district for affordable fitness classes. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help reduce stress, improve focus, and promote relaxation. You can meditate for free at home, using apps or websites that offer guided meditations, or attending a local meditation group. You can also practice mindfulness throughout the day by being present and fully engaged in your daily activities. DIY beauty treatments. You can pamper yourself without spending a lot of money by making your own beauty treatments. For example, you can create a DIY face mask using ingredients like honey, yogurt, and oatmeal. You can also make your own body scrubs and lotions using natural ingredients like sugar, coconut oil, and essential oils. Nature therapy. Spending time in nature can have a positive impact on mental health, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. You can take a walk in the park, go for a hike, or have a picnic in a local nature reserve. You can also practice gardening at home or visit a nearby botanical garden. Affordable mental health services. Taking care of your mental health is important, but therapy can be expensive. However, there are many affordable mental health services available, such as community mental health clinics, sliding scale therapy services, and online therapy platforms. You can also check with your employer or health insurance provider to see if they offer an Employee Assistance Program, EAP, which can provide free or low-cost mental health services. In summary, there are many ways to practice self-care without spending a lot of money. By prioritizing your own well-being and finding creative ways to practice self-care on a budget, you can improve your physical, mental, and emotional health without breaking the bank.